Hello, welcome to another installation or part of my jelly roll rug. I have all my jelly roll, I'm just snipping off any threads. My jelly roll, I don't know what you want to call these, tubes all sewn up. Here's my rug that I've started, and I'm just doing a square rug. So now I have to add, I believe, 4 more of these to get the completed size I would need. I'm trying to make a rug that's about 36 by 18. So I'm going to start off with my aqua-ish tube, and I have the smooth side out. And then I'm going to take my salmon or coral color, again with the smooth side and then the folded side. And I put I'm going to call it the smooth side, and this is folded. That's what we're going to call it. So the smooth side goes into the folded a little, and we are going to try to feed these in as carefully and as smoothly and straight as we can. So I'm going to start with a back tack, and then I'm going to go forward. I am using a zigzag. This is a Singer 401. I have it set at 5. I have my letters at B and L, and this would only really pertain to like if you're using this machine, but basically you're using a large zigzag. And I hate to say it, a lot of the newer machines, it's hard to get through all these layers. This thing is a workhorse. It goes through leather and everything. So this and yes, it does make a lot of noise. Now, I noticed a couple of things. This, again, I am just showing you what I'm doing. This is my first time making a jelly roll quilt. I noticed I didn't get this end, and that's okay because we will get that in when we zigzag. And I want to look at the back, and the back is all done too. So this is it. I like to do these in groups of 2 and then put them in. So far that's what I figured out. Again, taking the smooth side to this folded side, right? Because this is folded and this is smooth. We are going to try to put this in. Now, yes, my machine is making noise, but I am showing you what I'm doing here. Okay, now I've taken my 2s and I'm going to make them into a group of 4. Now, let's see what's going on here. I have some, I don't know what's going on here. I got a little bit of, looks like oil came up, but it didn't get in my fabric, so it's good. So I have my 2 sets, and I want to make them now into a 4 set. Again, I am just making a rectangle. No one's taught me this. I'm kind of just doing this on my own. So I'm taking these 2 and kind of putting them together again. I want to make sure that I have that. There we go. I'm back tacking and then I'm going forward. Now, I do have a walking foot on here. I bought this aftermarket walking foot for this machine, which is a slant foot, and I'm making sure that my my zigzag has caught everything. I have one piece here, and I do the same in the back, and it did. So now I have this chunk. Okay, so now we are going to take this to the big rug here. Right here is the smooth side. Here's the side that has the 2. I am going to go ahead and now come in here and put this 4 to this big rug. Now, when it gets a little bit bigger, it is a little bit of a kerfluffle, but you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Just remember, anything you may have missed, and I'll show you a spot I have missed, we're going to go back. Okay, here we go. We're going to cut that. Now, I look in the back and make sure here that I've caught everything. I didn't catch everything here, but I didn't catch it here either. If you notice, look, my finger, I've got a little hole there. So we're going to come in here. No biggie. This is my first rug. And you could see I went off. I bowed out. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to start back tacking. And then I'm going to go forward. And I'm going to come in here. I just want to double check. I got that. Back tack. And good. Nobody's going to see that you just patched that little area. I promise you. And you see, we patched it from the front, from the back. We come in here, we cut any loose strings we see. And there we have that. Now, what we're going to do is measure this. We are at 18, just shy of 18. But you see this here, this is where my double fold is. We have to finish this off. So the next color after purple is a turquoisey color. So I am going to go ahead and take another strip of my turquoisey color. But this time, instead of putting my smooth side right into the double fold, we are finishing this rug. I want to say quilt, this rug off. And we're going to finish it by the two folded sides meeting together. So what you're going to kind of do is fudge it at this point. And every video I've seen has done this. They've fudged it. So we are going to I kind of put this one on the bottom, put this one in the middle, and this one on the top. And I don't know. We'll see how that sews. But basically, you're just going to kind of just scooch these two together, just like you did before. And you're just going to do the best you can. So I'm finishing this off. I'm putting back tacking. I'm going forward now. Now, instead of me going crazy hog wild fast, I'm probably going to take it a little slow here, right? Because this one's going to be a little... I say that as my machine goes wild. And what I'm doing is really, I am pressing these two as far over as I can. I'm also making sure that it's in the center of the foot so that both sides are getting caught. And I'm looking, yep, so far both sides are getting caught. And if not, we just go back. You want to be careful with your fingers. You don't want to run your fingers over. So go slow. There's no race. And oh, I thought I broke it, but I didn't. So something's a little wonky here. So I'm going to slow down, take a deep breath, and make sure we're almost home. Let's see. It's a lot of bulk we're going through right now, so. No. All right, so I did break my needle that time. So we're gonna come here, we're gonna stop. But if you could see right here, look, it went all through, no holes. It's finished on this side, finished on that side, and all we need to do is finish the ends. So I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to change out my needle, finish this up, and when you see me again with another part of this, we are going to trim this, and then we are going to put the final touches. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And I will see you with another installation of my Jelly Roll rug. Take care. Bye.